On today's video, we'll look at the current Bitcoin price and where will the Bitcoin price be in the near future. So my price prediction for the Bitcoin price is approximately 8,000. So will we reach that target? Watch this video and I'll show you my technical analysis and predictions for the Bitcoin price. So let's roll the cameras and let's start. So I hope everybody has a festive season. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video. Merry Christmas and hope to see you in the new year of 2020 and the Bitcoin price of 2020. So as we start here, Bitcoin has been in this downwards channel for quite a few months since the all-time high of 14,000 this year. So as you can see, those white circle dots, those are the times that Bitcoin touched the downward support and resistance lines. So here at the bottom we have two circles, those are the support lines, and when it touches the support line twice in this downtrend, Bitcoin tends to have a pump afterwards. And even here on the second one, Bitcoin has two touches in the support line and then has a huge pump and touches the top resistance line, and the same thing is happening again. Bitcoin is touching the support line twice, and will we see now a pump to the upside? We'll see. Since currently Bitcoin is consolidating right now, will we have a dump then pump, or will we just have a pump and break the resistance at 8,000? So if that's one scenario that can play out. So let's look at the other chart that I've set up. So now on the smaller time frame, we currently have this triangle that is forming, and we've been consolidating for quite some time in this triangle. And will we have a pump to the upside or to the downside? So my upside targets from a breakout from this triangle, the target will be approximately 8,000, because I've been saying that 8,000 could be a key level and a key target that we might reach if this triangle plays out in the short time frame. Or maybe if that scenario doesn't happen, we could see the Bitcoin price go down and maybe reaching targets of maybe 6,200. So this is the target in the short time frame on the 4 hour, and we've been in this trading range for quite some time. From the 29th of November, we've been in this consolidation range. So now if you guys are planning to place orders and trades, it's best if you can wait and trade the breakout after. So now we can look at the last technical analysis, which is going to be the fib level. These fib levels can also be very useful to determining when the Bitcoin price will have a reversal at which price points. So now let's look at that chart. So this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin, and currently on the 0.382 fib level, there has been a lot of resistance in these areas here, and you might see a pump to the upside and test the 0.5 Fibonacci level or the 0.236 Fibonacci level, and that's going to put the Bitcoin price at 5,000. So those are the two levels that I'm watching out. If it drop below, then I'm hopefully maybe might short this, or if the Bitcoin price starts pumping to the upside, we'll see, maybe think of putting a long. But I don't really usually trade Bitcoin. I usually buy and dollar cost average Bitcoin, because I'm not familiar trading this crypto markets. I'm an investor. I buy Bitcoin because I see the value of Bitcoin, the same thing as gold. But I prefer buying Bitcoin because Bitcoin is more decentralized and it's more secure to each user. So this is gonna be it for today's video. So always stay digital.